In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy VTI on Interactive Brokers. Now, currently, I'm here inside the IBKR desktop, and then you want to go to whatever tab really, and you want to go to the search button at the top left, and you want to type in VTI. Now, whenever you do that, it's going to pop up a bunch of different ones. I am no financial advisor. I just want to show you how to click the buttons in the app to actually be able to buy it. So here, make sure you do your own research before you actually select any of these. And then whenever you find the one you actually want to invest in or trade and buy, of course, you can go ahead and click on it. For this example, I'm just going to click on this first one here on my demo account. And then here you'll be able to see your chart, and then you have the option to do a buy order up here. Just click on that. Here you have to set your quantity and then your type of order, your limit prices if you want to. You could also attach a take profit and stop loss, and whenever you're ready, you can preview your order here, or you could go to the advanced and actually do some advanced settings regarding this order. And whenever you actually want to execute the buy, just click on submit buy order over here, and it's basically going to buy VTI over here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.